Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca-old coming to you from the interior of BC. Today I'm going to show you this 1999 Western Star 4900 dump truck. It has 750,161 kilometers and 25,648 engine hours. It is a Cat 346E engine, 475 horsepower. It does have a Jake brake and full diff locks. It has an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 1671 8B. The front axle rating is 20,000 pounds on FL 941. It has spring suspension on the front. The rear axle rating is 46,000 pounds on RT 23164P on Henderson spring suspension on the rears. The front tires are 425 65R 22.5, rear tires 11R 24.5. The rims are aluminum all the way around, inside and out. The wheelbase is 236 inches. It has twin fuel tanks, both 71 gallon. The CVI is valid till June 2014. It has a Nahani box, twin exhaust, and it was used for local hauling, short haul, with gravel and asphalt. I'm going to take a general walk around to the unit, then we're going to come up tight for a close inspection. I do know the unit has been very well maintained. It's in excellent mechanical condition. Lift gate and a manual batch gate at the back. And let's come up to the front of the unit here. I'm going to come right up to the grill. And I'm not seeing any damage in the fins. I'm seeing a little dent here in the front. And I'm just going to follow the bumper along. Pan up the driver's side of the unit. And then down the passenger side. Not seeing any damages to the front. We will show you the motor later on. Let's take a look at the hood. Everything looked good there. And let's go up the cab. And I see a little bit of a possible pit at the top of that mirror. Hydraulic tank, chain rack, and I'm looking at the condition of the box. Other than the normal rust spots, I'm not seeing any dents or any bends on the arm. And just very minor cracking on the rails. And this is axle 2 and 3 on the passenger side. I'll wait till the box is up before we go underneath. And I'm seeing a dent here. We're now on the driver's side of the unit. I'm going to pan up the box here. And let's just take a look at axles 2 and 3. And the box looks very good on this side. Again, just some small damages on the rail. Very minor. One storage box. Second chain rack. Battery box. Let's take a look at the steps here going up to the cab. That looks good. Check the condition of the mirror here. Just a small possible pit up there. Body's looking good. No dents to the air cleaner. And I'm going to check the condition here of the hood. And we're going to lift the box up now. Box is completely lined. Lift the batch gate up. And we're going to go underneath here. And the tarp's coming out. It's working very well. Let's take a look underneath. Come right up to this Hendrickson here. We'll get in behind axles 2 and 3. Not seeing any leaks. Let's just follow the drivetrain here. And we got a good look at the back of the cab. And let's take a look inside the cab. We come right up under the seats. I can see there's seat covers. I did lift them up earlier and they look, condition of the upholstery is good underneath. Let's take a look here at the let's take a look at the panel. right up here we can see the gauges, nice and clear. And the PTO. Let's take a look under the hood. Have another good piece of iron from BidOnIron.com. Thanks for watching.